I just tried putting this chain on. I told you I like doing everything myself, but it looks like I ordered the wrong chain size because this one is smaller than my stock chain and it doesn't fit on my front sprocket. So it goes in the back sprocket, no problem, but in the front sprocket, it doesn't fit. So this is the stock chain. So the stock chain, I already took out the master cylinder. I broke it. I don't know if you have like an upgraded chain that you could provide to me, or if you could just get another master cylinder, for this one, master link for the stock chain over here.